Hello YouTubers, today's video about the best way to preserve your battery on anything pretty much. Lawnmower, your car, snowmobile, you name it. If you have a vehicle that have electric battery, or both for that matter, and you're not using it for the longest time, like a few months, you're gonna need stuff like this. Let's call it charger and battery charger and maintainer, and it works on any kind of batteries, even as big as, well, I'm not sure about the semi-truck, but theoretically should work on that too. So I actually bought it from Harbor Freight Tools. It was on a Christmas New Year sale, but even without the sale, this thing costs only like $10. But potentially it could, well, it will save you a whole bunch more money than that. So what it does, it basically charges your battery to the point that it's fully charged and then automatically shuts down. So nothing complicated at all. That's all it is. Stuff like this. This is adapter. It shows you the light, the coding over here. If the light is green, it's charging. I mean flashing green, charging. If it's not flashing, fully charged. Red, error fault, and orange, standby. That meaning that it's not charging at that point. So basically, so you put red on positive, black on negative. Well, this is the new one. Let's unwind it like that. Plug it in, and what we have a red light flashing. So the battery wasn't fully charged. It actually was. So this is a battery from my lawnmower. So right there, it's flashing. So it's gonna flash to the point that it's gonna fully charged, and then automatically it's just gonna turn off this charger, and battery always gonna be fully charged. This is very critical for the batteries, because if you're gonna leave it without any charger for the longest time, the cells inside the battery are gonna get ruined, and you're just gonna throw the battery away. And on the opposite side, if you're gonna overcharge the battery, that's gonna ruin the batteries as well. This is pretty much doesn't take the power or electricity in the house, almost like a super minimal use, but it saves you over the time a whole bunch of money. So here's what it looks like when it's already fully charged. As you can see, you have the green light, it's not blinking. And the last thing I forgot to mention, this thing have a smart chip in there to control bad battery and incorrect battery voltage, and also reverse polarity. So if you, let's say, put the positive or red on the negative and black on the positive, this thing, and actually can figure it out and still charge it correctly, and you're not gonna burn anything. So that's pretty cool thing to get for under $10. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, give me a like for this video. Thank you.